Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, we're doing an unboxing of the Tovala second generation smart toaster oven. They basically say home cooking made effortless, and I hope that's the case because this is a smart toaster oven, but let's see what we get out of here. So the box does look rather crummy. That's okay. You know what? I know some people love nice, beautiful packaging. I don't really care as long as the product is amazing, so that's fine by me. But the box is rather large, so I think the toaster oven is going to be a lot larger than I expected, but we'll see. Just some information in the interior pamphlet about basically, ordering food through the Tovala service, because Tovala does actually have a food ordering service. So basically you get like meal kits rather, get fresh ingredients, put the stuff together based on how the instructions are set up. They provide you, scan the barcode on the smart toaster oven, and then it'll start automatically bake, broil, or steam, whatever combination is required to get the food made. Anyway, so going back to the unboxing itself. So this is gonna be a bit of a challenge. All right, this is a big bulky toaster oven. Just trying to figure out how to get it out of here. I can always just put the box upside down, but I just don't want to damage anything fragile by chance. So I'm trying to take it out from the top if possible. But as you can see, I'm just kind of struggling with it. It's not as heavy as it looks though, thankfully. It's just really packed in snug. So let's put that to the side for now. Okay, so not sure what this is for. Probably a tray of some kind. Well, I mean, obviously sure it is, but not sure where it's going to be placed in. Got some other contents that were already in the box as well, but we'll get back to that. Just get the product itself out of its packaging. So just a side note, just wanted to mention out there while I'm still unboxing it, this was purchased in Canada, so I am based in Canada. My understanding is that it's almost impossible to get outside of the US, but it was being sold directly from Amazon Canada, so I'm not sure if it was really designed to be used in Canada. At least the smart functionality is built in. I'm not sure what to expect here, but yeah, I just want to put that out there that I was able to get in Canada directly from Amazon, but this is widely available in the US. So just the interior, it's not a bad size. It looks pretty good. There's some stuff kind of wrapped on the inside. I'm just trying to get out. And it looks to be just a measuring cup. So they included a measuring cup. No big deal, but hey, it's just a nice touch that they included in there. Let's see what we have. So this looks to be like another tray. This is probably where the oil would drip down, I guess, depending on what you're making, if it happens to kind of splash out of the tray. And speaking of trays, we got some other stuff here, including the package. Okay, so another cool thing they added, I didn't have to do this, but we'll get to it. It's just like, it looks like a oven mitt glove type of thing. It's a square, it's a really weird shape, but hey, it's a nice touch. You can place food on it as, if it's something warm you don't want to place on your table directly, you can use it as a food mat. Here's some setup instructions, basically saying to get the app from the Google Play Store, for example. Some of the accessories that are included, like the rack and the tray and all that good stuff. Reading additional information just about like safety and stuff. Yet even more instructions and safety and warranty information. So they do pack quite a bit of it. Although I know it's a smart product, but I'm hoping it'll be easy to set up, right? Okay, here's the actual tray. I guess this is what you put food on directly, or your tin foil and then food. So that's great. And then looks to be a wire shelf. I'm not sure what this other cover is for, but it says steam on it, so I guess we'll go on the interior, but here's the wire rack. So yeah, it looks like it can be placed on 3 different levels within the toaster oven, which is great. I know smaller toaster ovens, you can only place it on 1 level, you're set and that's it, but this one looks like it has 3 levels. So that's pretty much it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the review. A link to that is in the video description, and thanks for watching.